Kumusta? Welcome back to Kabinggetan. Last time, pinag-usapan natin ang Bendy and Dance. At sa mga hindi nakapanood ng part 1, please don't forget to visit our YouTube channel, Kabinggetan, and please do like, share, and subscribe. At ngayong part 2, tatalakayin natin kung ano nga ba yung mga sinasambit na salita at kung ano nga ba ang kahulugan nito.
Salawasaw!
Nga ang salawasaw. It is announcing to the world that we are the bravest, victorious warriors.
Pinadyosan!
Pangalawa ang pinadyosan. Ang ibig sabihin, warriors carrying the spoils, now ready to start for home.
Kinikiyakan!
Susunod ang kinikiyakan. It is a challenge to the enemy. Better that you serve us than be our slaves.
Kinitangan!
Susunod ang kinitangan. Ang ibig sabihin, relax. The peace is with us and it's time to enjoy our dance.
Pinasbakan!
At ang pinasbakan. Ang ibig sabihin, to attack and take cover.
Inusyungan!
At susunod naman ang inusyungan. Ang ibig sabihin, warriors that can protect the community. Men, women, boys, and girls are willing to die to the last man.
Inudian!
At meron naman ang inudian. It is a turn or reverse to confuse the enemy.
Inabaya!
At ang inubaya. Ang ibig sabihin, put your hands up and receive the spoils to be carried home by your loved ones. Alright, that's all for this video, and before we wrap up, please visit our Facebook page, YouTube page, and Wix website, Kabinggetan. That's all. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.